Hey, what's up everyone? I have got some ridiculously awesome news for you. Now you can customize this prompt library. Yes, now you can customize this prompt library exactly how you want it. And I'm freaking pumped to tell you all about it. Okay? So the first thing, let's talk about searching for prompts. You know all these default prompts, default prompts from Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, psychological framework, coding, newsletter article, role play, SEO, growth hacking, you name it. These are all default prompt and they follow a specific naming convention. So for example, all copywriting frameworks. If you go to copywriting, they start with copywriting framework or copywriting. They have a specific naming convention. So if you are searching for those default prompts, you just have to type in here, right? For example, I want to search for cold email. That's first you have to be, I think, all category, because you can also search within a specific category. So if I'm outside and I want to search cold email, you see cold email, and then all the default prompts related to cold email are here. That's just easy. All you have to do is start typing what you want, right? And bam, there they are, like a magic. You just need to click the button use and you can use it anytime. Okay, so this was about search. But hold on a second, because it gets even better. Now you can create your own prompt that fit into exactly in the same categories. If you want to add a prompt for Instagram or Facebook, Twitter, psychological framework, if you have a prompt that will fit into exactly same category, you just need to follow the same naming convention. It should start with Instagram or Facebook or Twitter or psychological framework. We want to keep these categories standard so they don't get cluttered. And I have a great use case ahead how to use them in a dynamic way, but I'm not going to reveal now in this video. But we want to maintain an standardized library, and if one of your prompt or use case fit into one of this category, what you have to do is very, very simple. Just follow the same naming convention and you are good to go. This is seriously next level stuff, okay? And I'm going to show you in a sec how to do that. Imagine you have a prompt use case which is for Twitter, so Twitter threads. So you come here, you see, okay, I have a Twitter thread idea, and this falls in the Twitter category of obviously. So you see here naming convention, it starts all with Twitter thread, Twitter thread. At least the starting point is Twitter, right? So what you do is you click this create prompts and you will come here, and then you will see one of the template already with the Twitter thread idea. What you need to do is you have to clone it. So once you click from here, you come to this manage template page, and here you can create a new one or you can clone existing one. When you will clone, in use case where you know exactly that this prompt will fit into one of these category: Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter. For example, I want to create a new prompt in the same category. So I have a Twitter and I have to just clone this. When I clone it, I will give it a new name and press the clone button. Okay. And after cloning this, you can go to the template and make some changes in the prompt. So this is one way to add a new prompt, and that prompt falls in one of these categories, right? Simply you have to click this button, go here, find that same category, give it a new name. But remember, you have to start exactly with the name. So Twitter thread, or it can be anything, but once you put the word Twitter, it will be automatically tagged inside this. And obviously you can search also, right? But if you wanted to start any prompt, follow the naming convention. Start with for YouTube with YouTube, for coding, for LinkedIn, for LinkedIn. So this is how you can easily add your own prompts. And once you have cloned and changed, this stays here. And any prompt that is in the library, you can use it for Chat Athena, but also this will be available for long form copywriting in the editor with Write Me, Ask Me Athena. So both use case you're tackling at one point. And here you can edit this prompt. So once you clone, you change the idea, description of this template, and this is only one single prompt that you need to change. Once you make changes, you can update this prompt. Once you update, it's available for both. As you will get used to this, in order to work both Write Me, Ask Me Athena, you can also say show prompt. You can select market research. You can say write me, headline, ask me. Once you do that and update this template, then obviously this is available both for long form copywriting, and it will be also automatically updated here in this customized prompt library, which you can use with Chat Athena. So you are having both things together, right? So this is really exciting. You can create any of the prompt that fits into one of these category. And as I said, once you have added your prompt, you can decide if you want to share it with the community, right? Because sharing is caring. Keep it all yourself. I won't judge. So let me break it down again step by step. Search for those default prompt, Twitter, Facebook, psychological framework. Search any of these default prompt and create your own prompt that just fit right into the same category. Okay, there's no limit, no boundaries, just be pure creative genius, right? You can fit into one of these categories and decide if you want to share your mad skills with the community or you really want to keep your secret sauce all to yourself. Now, the last thing that I want to talk about is for advanced prompt builder. So if you're trying to master the hypnotic NLP prompt that I shared before with you, and you're using this prompt builder where you have these creative goals, audience, tonality, you can mimic a style, personality type, literary devices, and if you click from here, you will be taken to a Google Sheet, and this is exactly same sheet, and there is a template builder. For example, I have built my template here, and I use this often for writing a LinkedIn post. So what you do in order to customize this prompt or add into this library, this is my LinkedIn post, okay, and I'll click here create prompt. When I create prompt, I come to manage template, and again I can click the button to create this template, right? And you can name it. So I want to name it LinkedIn Hypnotic NLP, and I want to name it in the way I can search and remember. So engaging economic decision makers and technical buyers. Write a description that fit and that you can also remember, and description is not impacting the outcome. It's just for you to nicely organize this prompt. And this is most important. So once you have built your prompt using the advanced library here, prompt builder, you can straightway copy this prompt into this template builder, right? This is really the same common source of template builder. Once you add this here as a text prompt, and you can decide to show prompt or not, doesn't matter. For Chat Athena doesn't matter. You can select source as market research and select one of the method write me. These three options are important only when you're using this template for long form copy that you will see in the content calendar, right? In the market message. For Chat Athena, you just need to copy this and you're ready. And why I'm saying these three options, because then you are preparing one single template that can be used both in Chat Athena but also in the long form copywriting in the market message section here in the market message. Once you're done, you just need to press this button, create template, and this new template will be added in the prompt library. And of course, you can search it with the LinkedIn. So here also LinkedIn, and then I had hypnotic NLP, right? Same way, this is also added in our prompt library. The way again here to search, just type in, and the moment I use the same, I have this here and I can use this prompt. If you don't follow this name, then either this will appear in other, or when you are in this all tab, you will be able to search it back again, right? And if you want to share with other, you need to go to manage template and press the button share with others. And I can use this prompt easily here. So this setting is for advanced. That means I'm selecting market research. I can also add other sources, for example, Google, Quora, Reddit, if I think that there are more information available. And remember to read the prompt once more. If you wanted to change the topic here, there's only variable rest. It is generic. It will work on different workspaces, right? You can also make it generic by saying write a LinkedIn post on the topic and main topic of interest, and then Athena will pick up automatically main topic of interest. Or you can, within the keyword, problem, suspicion, desire, any angle that you want to focus, you can write that and Athena will take care of pulling the right context, right? That's the beauty of Athena. Okay, so this prompt is ready, and you can just click and generate the output. I'll do that. So here is my advanced output, and it says tired of tedious fluffy chatbots that do nothing more than waste your time. Welcome to the future of conversational AI. This is on fire, right? And this is the impact of this advanced prompt engineering. So that's it. Watching this video until here, you are now prompt customization master. You are advanced prompt engineer who can customize this prompt library here. And you are ready to rock the world with your creative genius. So go out there, customize this prompt library like a boss, and show everyone how it's done. Okay? See you until next time.